is Henri Furgiuele, and I'd like to share my comments about the Becoming More workshop, which I just attended a couple of weeks ago in Cancun, Mexico. This is the latest workshop Richard Gordon is offering, and it's about sharing gifts in specific ways. I found it to be surprising in many respects. It was not a hands-on healing class, but there was a lot of healing that took place as we practiced with each other. The location was fabulous. It was a real oasis, and the energy of Mexico supported everyone's experience so beautifully. We also had 40 amazing participants who shared their love, their light, their presence, their energy, their gifts. And at the end of those 2 days, I was able to stay a couple of days after and just digest and integrate a little bit more the full experience that I had. I discovered parts of myself I hadn't been in touch with for a while. And I found parts of me really had shifted in a deep way. For example, sugar just no longer appealed to me at all. I've been on that track for a while. Sometimes I'm very no sugar at all, and then a little more than I perhaps want. But it isn't appealing at all in any shape right now. And I'm not trying. It's just I found myself in a different place, hungry for different experiences. And I think that for me was the biggest takeaway. I discovered, rediscovered, and re-experienced parts of myself that had been eluding, I guess, not so present every day in my life. So I'm very grateful to having had the experience, and I encourage everyone, if you're wanting to see what else is inside you that you can receive well, you can share well, and even if you don't think you can do either, just open your door to the experience of it. You'll be surprised, as I was. So the Becoming More workshop by Richard Gordon, I encourage you to attend.